let's dive into a sneak peek of the anime. Here, you'll get a glimpse of the world and the intense battles that Pheonix and the other fighters face. Check it out! Now that you've seen a bit of the anime, let's take a closer look at Pheonix with his character sheet. As the embodiment of summer, Pheonix wields the fiery power of a phoenix. Here's a detailed look at his design, powers, and some key information about him. And finally, to really bring Pheonix to life, I'm going to do a speed painting of his illustration. Watch as the flames and fierce determination of Pheonix come together on the canvas. Let's get started.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared.
Thanks for joining me in this character reveal. I hope you're as excited about Pheonix and the anime as I am. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and behind-the-scenes content. See you next time.